Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello, I am Urmi. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you 3 DIYs: face scrub, body scrub and lip scrub. Now we all exfoliate our face, right? And if you don't, then you are missing a very important part of your skincare. It is very important to exfoliate our skin in order to remove the dead skin cells. But we tend to give all our attention to our face and forget our body. It is equally important to take care of our body as it is for our face. So it is important to exfoliate our body as well, because we tend to get dead skin there as well. Now there are a number of face scrub, body scrubs and lip scrubs are available in the market. You can use them, but if you want much affordable option with the similar result, then this video will be very helpful for you. And plus you no need to worry about the ingredients because they are so basic and easily available in the market. So if you want to know what the DIYs are, then please keep on watching. Starting off with the face scrub, I am going to mix coffee powder and rice flour. I am not going to measure it like teaspoon or tablespoon. I am just eyeballing it. Now into that mixture, I am going to add an olive oil. Now you can also use coconut oil or honey, whatever you prefer. Add your oil or honey till you get scrub like consistency. Now my scrub is ready. Let's see how to use it. I have already cleaned my face with warm water. Now I'm going to take this mixture and start scrubbing my face in a small circular motion, but very gently. Do not be harsh on your skin, otherwise it will cause micro tears. And also do not scrub your under eye area because skin there is very sensitive. I would suggest you to do a patch test before you use anything on your face to check whether that product is suitable for your skin or not. And for that, just take a little amount of that product, apply it on your cheek near your jawline, wait for 4 to 5 minutes to see whether it causes any reaction or not. And if you have acne or pimples on your face, then I would suggest not to scrub your face, otherwise it will get worse. I'm going to scrub it for 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off with the mild face wash to remove excess oiliness. It will clean all the dirt and dead skin and make your skin smoother. You can use this scrub once or twice a week. Now quickly move on to lip scrub. All you need is brown sugar and honey. You can also use white sugar. Mix both the ingredient, apply it on your lips, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then start scrubbing it. After scrubbing it for another 3 minutes, wash it off and apply a good lip balm. And that's it. It will instantly make your lips much smoother and pinkier. Now it's time to exfoliate our body, and for that you will need brown sugar, coffee powder and olive oil or coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients to get desired consistency. Then wet your body with warm water and start scrubbing it in a circular motion. Now you have to do this before cleansing your body with shower gel or soap, because scrubbing first will remove residue, dead skin and dirt from the surface of your skin, and after that when you will cleanse your skin with shower gel, it will wash away all the dead skin cells and particles that were lifted by the scrub. Using warm water before exfoliation will help to soften skin and prepare it for exfoliation. Now while scrubbing your body, pay more attention to the areas like elbows and knees, because that's where dead skin tends to accumulate more. Scrub it for about 5 minutes and then wash it off with the shower gel or soap. Apply a good body lotion and you are good to go. Now I have write down benefits of all the ingredients that I have used in this video in the description box below, in case if you want to know. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, then hit that like thumb, comment down below and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button. And if you want tutorial on this look, then follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be mentioned in bottom bar below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.